Hi guys, today we're going to be taking a look at another feature of the Ford Pass app. This one is going to be in regards to the current status of this vehicle. So as you can see, I'm logged into my Ford Pass app. We have my F-150 in red pulled up right here. We're going to click on this button right here that says vehicle. So on here it shows you the current status of the vehicle. So you get updated information in regards to the vehicle location, the amount of fuel that you have left. And you can do scheduled starts. Click on status. Shows you everything in regards to tire pressure and oil life as well. Click on each of these. Gives you updated information in regards to the PSI in each tire. And looks like I need to schedule an oil service soon. All right, guys, have a great day.
PA's #1 Ford store, Twin Pine Ford.